So guys, it's time for another tutorial. In the tutorial, I know some of you might use like me Retro Cortex, and when you play some game that you have, for instance I have Mountain Blade Urban, and sometimes if I want to play, sometimes I want to play Urban Manager. I would never play that just with this game. Anyways, oh, don't mind that. So I will open that game. I'm not going to do it. I'm just going to actually. So I have Windows. I have Google open. No, fuck. Yeah, you see, it immediately closed my window. It immediately closed my thingy. And I reopen it by the way. So how to get to the data? Where's my good key? I should have put some music. Or actually any video. That's probably a little bit that won't say it like maybe through the name. But anyways, how to prevent that you may ask? Well, it's actually pretty easy. So what you do is you don't mind those stats because how to prevent those? It's actually pretty easy. So fucking here stop. That's because that thing is doing all the shit that you saw. No fuck. Anyway, so now you started that the launcher. Then what you do is you go to game booster. Boost. You don't need specials or for next don't use the flag word. Yeah, out of everything you only need fuck off rate. Nobody likes you anyways. You need that process. So by default your browser, even if it's not Google, most probably will be set to on. But what you do is just click on it once and yeah, recommended settings. How's that recommended mate? So browser will be set on. Just check if it's on. If it's on and you want to listen to the music that you like in the background and to be able to exit some games that are like that and you cannot use the Windows key to exit it. So basically that. So you make sure that's off and then you can do anything you want. Because the reason why was it like the reason why it's like that is because it wants to optimize every single little bit to give you the best experience. And Google Chrome is taking up a lot of RAM, as you can see. I don't use Microsoft Edge, but I use Google Chrome. As you can see, I, I have only one window open. Not even not doing anything. Also, if you want to pay $30 to join OG, we're the best clan, and we do right now there's some list, but I'm pretty bored. So yeah, you see, I just did something, and from 609 something, it came to 700, and now it's decreasing because now it's registered. It needs some time because my laptop is not the best of the best. So yeah, make sure that's all and to be good. Also, I This works with any other game optimizer, so yeah, bye.